Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to link CSS and JavaScript files inside HTML. So let's get started. So we will create a new document called html.html and save it. So now we will write the basic structure of an HTML. Let's start with doc type, then HTML. We will keep the title as test page. To link CSS, we will use the link tag. We will set the relation attribute value to style shape. And we will use the hyperlink reference attribute to link the CSS file. Let's name our CSS file as css.css. We will insert some elements inside body. Now we will use the script tag. Inside the script tag, we will use the source attribute to link the JavaScript file. We will name our JavaScript file as javascript.js. And close the script tag. So this is how we use link and script tag to link CSS and JavaScript files. Now let us see where our files have been saved. Let's open the file manager. So as you can see, these are the files that we have created inside VS Code. So let us open this HTML file inside a web browser. For this tutorial, we are using Chrome. As you can see, the basic structure of our HTML page has been loaded. To check if the CSS file has been linked properly, let us write some CSS code. We will give class attributes to list and heading tags so that we can work in CSS. Now let's write some CSS code to change the color of the text and the background. You don't have to worry about the CSS code that I'm writing. We will explain it in our later classes. As you can see, the colors have changed. That means the CSS file is working properly. We will see how JavaScript works in later classes. Now, most of you may ask, why have I written the link tag inside head and not inside body? And some of you may also ask, why have I written the script tag at the bottom and not at the top? We will explain it in our later classes. So that's it for today. Take care.